Okay, this is a quick demonstration of the order tracker program. Um, Opted to not do a login since it would be used in a business environment. It would allow us to pull the user's login instead of the user logging every single time they use the program. For the demo, you'll see me switch between users from a drop down, but finished state, it would actually just pull it off of the user's login as they're in their computer. I'll start by showing you the search functions. It's a wildcard search, so you can type in pretty much anything, and it should bring up, what's typed in. Like this case, going in customer. If we wanted to search project, you can search in project. Currently open projects only is not functioning. I have a few things left before I can do that. Status, once the status is implemented, you'll be able to see where the quote or order is located in the process. So, if it was finished on time in pricing, engineering, drafting, you would see all that here just by clicking on the record and seeing it up top. Now, one thing you can do before you go to the other screen is select which records you'd like to look at, and that'll be preloaded onto the screen. Let's see. Start by we'll do a brand new record. Basically do an add new. This functionality needs to be programmed as well, as it'll automatically check out the next number. Customer, and then the project. So the due date, you would select, when this needs to be completed, set forth. At that point, it'll go ahead and log the, for a quote, also you're looking at is the pricing. So it'll go ahead and log that, hey, your quote needs to be due 11/4 with pricing. If I was the user to pick it up, I could say I started at 11/4, and I also completed it. Completed 11/4. So that'll log my dates in there. Once price and everything's completed, you can convert it to an order. What convert to order does, it takes your quote number, gives it a unique order number. We'll enter a PO and go from there. PO receipt date, go with November 4th, assuming we got it today. Delivery date, we do the 2nd. So, let's do it later. So what it will do at this point is, now that I have my delivery date, I can back schedule all my dates back through engineering. So I click back schedule, it'll schedule every date as it needs to be completed for an on-time shipment. So at this point, you'd send it to engineering. They can log, hey, I started at this date, finished at that date. You could do, for drafting, same thing, just log your dates. The next user would grab it, log their dates, and so on. So that would mark this order as completed once everything gets pushed all the way through to shipping required. Things to be added still. Right now it functions, it needs to function, but we don't have the quote and order reporting. We also do not have the status, and the status is strictly driven off of when things are logged and when things are completed. So if you ended up starting something and you don't complete it by 12/24, if you finish at 12/25 for engineering, this is actually going to show up red. That way hey, this was a missed date. pricing being finished on 12.4 or I guess 11.4 would actually show up green so that they know, hey, this was on time, this was late, and so forth based on the dates being logged. That's current functionality. There's a few things to work on before we get to final, but we seem to be on the right track. So we'll have numbers checking out. I noticed that when I created a new one, that's something else that needs fixed. But that's what we have for Demo1. It's pretty much on track right now.